Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Thursday, June 12th. So I apologize for yesterday for having no morning brief, but funny story, or I guess not so funny. Sitting at my desk getting ready to do the morning brief, and a giant pop hits, scares me, and my computer screens completely go blank. And yeah, so I blew a capacitor in the power supply. So it took me approximately about 4 hours to take the computer into a repair shop, get the repair done, and then come home and get the machine back up and running so I can do my morning brief today. So a lost day yesterday. Apologize for that. No trading. That's going to happen. And of course, this brings up the question, do you have a backup? Do you have a backup computer? I did have a backup and do have backups, but they weren't updated to the place where I could actually trade from them. So that was obviously something I'm going to have to work on, is getting a backup fully functional and ready to go in case something like this happens again. So what's going on today? 8:30, we have core PPI. It's about to come out in about 2 minutes. PPI month over month, unemployment claims also here at 8:30. 9:30, we have the CB leading index. 10:30, natural gas storage. The 30-year bond auction at 1 o'clock. That's what we're looking for. But the big, of course, is going to be PPI here in about 2 minutes. Moving on, looking at charts, looking at the daily chart. So we've had a down day yesterday and the day before. And we're kind of back into this little breakout zone where we broke out before. Now, whether we can hold this and then rotate back up will be very interesting, because that's a pattern that's very common, is a breakout, a false breakout, come back down to the breakout point, find support, and then move up higher. We'll see if that actually happens. We did have decent volume, not great volume, but decent volume yesterday, yeah, and we are gapping down somewhat today. Looking at the inventory. Inventory yesterday was positive on negative price action. So you got to go, hey, what's going on here? Bottom fishing. Anytime there's a pullback, people are buying. It's the big buy the dip crowd. Wednesday we didn't talk about, but it was positive price action with positive inventory. This is concerning as to what exactly is going on here, but it sure looks like the buy the dip folks are coming in. So far, that is not the case currently. Inventory is down and overnight, and price action is also down. Overnight action, you can see here, is pretty. It's average. Let's just say it's average. 45 points. Nothing to be really too worried about, except that it does look like it is trending. There was that little spike. There was PPI. Let's see. Can I go back and look at PPI? Yeah. So what is the? Oh, it's pending. It doesn't show it yet. PPI 0.1%. Not as high as expected. Core PPI was 0.1%. It was expected was 0.3%. Employment claims were more than expected. So, yeah. Producer price index was less than expected. Those are both down, or I should say those are both negative on the economy, and so is the higher unemployment claim. So, not the best news. Now, we saw that reaction was a pew-pew up and down. So we can go back here, maybe see it a little more. You can't even see it on that. Not a huge reaction one way or the other. Where do we have support and resistance? Well, 6,000 is kind of running around it, but that's a number I'd be paying attention to. 59.88, 59.80, 59.70, 59.50 for support. On the resistance side, what's above? So the overnight high is right here at 32. I'm going to say just above that at 60.33, 60.40, 60.50, and 60.70 are certainly areas of resistance. 60.90 if we get up there. Of course, 6,100, the round number, will also be a big number. I really think we're going to be somewhere between 6,100 and 5,900, at least for the foreseeable future. If we get above or below either one of those numbers, it can get ugly very, very fast. Stock Trader's Almanac is 61.9 for today, Thursday, from the Stock Trader's Almanac. So a positive bias to the upside today. Hope you have a great day. See you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the Morning Brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.